A clinical trial is conducted with 30 volunteers to estimate the maximum tolerated dose and monitor the apparent toxicity of a new drug. The study design is best described as which of the following phases of a clinical trial. Now, the phases of a clinical trial can be remembered with the mnemonic Can I Swim? So, in phase zero, we have the I. So, the I is going to help us remember that it is going to be testing the initial pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics of the drug that we're trying to bring in to the market. Now, phase one is going to be looking at the safety profile of the drug. So, we're going to have a group of people that we're going to be giving the drug to, and we're going to see if there's any serious side effects to the drug, if it is safe to continue to give it to a larger population. Phase two is going to be looking at if the drug is working. So we're going to give the drug to a group of people that has the disease, and we're going to see if there's any improvements to the people that have the disease. So we're asking the question, does the drug actually work? Now, phase three is with the eye, and the eye is going to help us remember that we're asking the question, is there any improvements that we're making to the current standard of care? So, for example, if we're trying to bring in a new diabetes drug to the market, we're going to be comparing that new diabetes drug to other diabetic medications that are already in the market, and we're going to see if the new drug has any improvements over the current drugs that we already have to treat diabetes. Now, if the answer to the question is yes in this phase, then the drug can gain a FDA approval and go to the market. Now, phase four is going to be asking the question, can the drug stay on the market? And so, if there's no serious long-term adverse effects to the drug, then the drug can stay in the market. Now, in the question, because we're testing the safety profile of the drug, we're on phase one of the clinical trial. So the answer is going to be answer choice B.